Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights, and if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Oh, just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet, you're tripping all over me. I can't get enough. Thank you.
Hey, can I do 3? I don't know, I had a flower. Oh, that's pretty chill.
My outfit for today. Day 1. It looks so bad. Oh my god. I got food though. This was like the healthiest thing I could find there. But I think it probably will taste really bad, but I have to eat something. Gatorade. Long day today.
Yes, sir. Chicken? Spices. Chicken? Right? Does someone go to rice? Wow, good. Chicken, chicken. Susie, you look over well. Yeah, sirloin. It looks like pickles. A 35.
I just got back to the hotel after the 3-day con. We were finally finished, and I just got ready because we're gonna go eat dinner, and then we're gonna go to this like place called like the Omega Mart. one went smoothly. Everything was pretty normal. But I am pretty tired. Okay, I'll see you guys at dinner.
I'm excited for you. Like, you have good food.
Sometimes when it's more expensive, I just pay it anyway because it's convenient.
At the pool. I went here this morning, but I didn't bring my camera. So pretty. Right now, today's my day off, but I don't have my flight till 6:30, so we're gonna go have lunch and maybe explore the city. It's not here, I think. Ah, okay. We're on like a secret quest. Oh, here. Okay. Oh, it's a quiz. Match the cone to the spill. I think sign is here. Okay. Why is it not cooking?
Wait, what?
There's no answer. Egg. Oh, okay.
Orange. Yeah.
In the locker? Sorry.
Congratulations. You are the employee of the moment.